Welcome back to the Garage YouTube, and as usual, thank you if you've joined the channel. If you haven't, I suggest you subscribe to the channel. I'm sure it is going to change your life. And today I am working on a commission from a good friend and all-round lovely chap who has asked for a double-headed rose for his wife on Valentine's Day. So I'm going to crack on with that this evening, and I'm going to take in my 10mm straight bar, and the idea is that we're going to join the two stems together, curl one around the other, and he's asked for a open rose at the top and a tighter rose halfway up. Wall mounted, which is going to be difficult with a swirl on, so we'll have to negotiate the curve so that it will sit flat on the wall, and see how we go. So here we go. Moving on, I'm quite pleased with how that's going. Gonna just tidy up where the hammer marks have left the stem slightly browed around here. Just a little bit of tidying up with the grinder. You may have seen, whether it made the video or not, I had to reheat here and just pull back a different angle because I want this to be the area that hits the wall. I've never made anything that has to sit flush with the wall before, so it may still have to go back in the fire and be reshaped, but I'm enjoying the way that this just crosses over. Yeah, I think this is going to be quite a nice piece. Right, so bit of grinder work now, and then start texturing the blanks. Here's the blank. This is one. Gonna sit on top like that, and two here. And I'm going to try and close the lower one a little bit tighter, but yeah, I mean, it's basically finished, isn't it? There we go, boy. She's gonna love it. there we go, my first commissioned piece of metalwork. Reasonably pleased with it. As usual, at the end of a project there's a couple of things I would have done a little bit better, maybe change the angles of a few little things, but it's been quite interesting putting it together. I hope you enjoyed seeing that. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. I know it's going to change your life. Thank you very much for watching to the end, and I will hopefully catch you next time.